Hello Team Healthy, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make amala or plantain fufu from scratch using fresh plantains. Okay, and just before I show you how to do that, or while I show you, I'm going to share with you a short background story of how I started making this on my own at home from scratch. So I went to the African store to get some amala or plantain flour, and then when I got there, I got it, and then when we got home to experiment with it, after making the amala, it turned out to be just weird. It had a weird taste and smell, and it was obvious that the flour was adulterated, mixed or contaminated with something else, or starch or something that we really don't need. So I discovered that making amala from fresh plantains is healthier, and I experimented it initially without the peel, but I'm here to tell you that you can also make it like this, blending both the plantains and the peels together, and it's going to give you the darker color because of the peels. And not just that, you do not need to trash the plantain peels because they are high in folate, and you know that folate is very good in blood quantities in the body. And also, it is also high in fiber that is good in reducing bad cholesterol, and we know that cholesterol is the enemy to stroke and heart disease. And the pills also are very high in antioxidants, which are really healthy to our bodies, helping us to prevent cancers, and also help us to attack those free radicals that we may be exposed to in our daily lives. And this is very easy. After chopping the plantains, just blend it with a little water. You can also blend it without adding any water at all, and then go ahead to add it to your pot. Just add about half cup of water to the pot, and when it's boiling, add your plantain puree to it and just keep stirring. Okay, it's going to appear softer initially while you're making this from scratch. It's just like using for those of us who have tried making pounded yam using our food processor, that's the texture that it gives you initially. But as soon as everything is ready and then you leave it to cool down, then your plantains will add more texture and elasticity to itself. So you just have to let it cool down a little bit, but it will still be warm and hot while you eat it. So this is something that I feel that as Team Healthy you really need to try, because you can just do this immediately. You do not have to prep the flour or do any other thing, as long as you have a blender and you can blend it smoothly so that you do not get any lumps in your plantain. This will be perfect for you. And then it's also essential that you add a few more maybe half cup of water, or 1/3 cup of water, depending on your quantity, just to allow the plantain cook, and you will see that the color comes out much more darker than it was before. This is an indicator that the plantain fufu is getting ready. Okay, so this is great. And plantain is also high in potassium, which is healthy for cardiovascular function or heart function. So this is a superfood that I feel like everyone should have. For as many food recipes that we can make at home by ourselves, I highly encourage that we do that, because then we can control the quantity and quality of what we eat. Like I always say, food is great for our bodies. Food can heal our bodies. Herbs and plants that God has created for us can heal our bodies. If this is your first time watching here, my name is Avon, and I really talk about everything concerning health and wellness, really focus on food. I also talk about mommy life and hair care as well. And also I'm just really passionate about healthy eating and how we can use it to restore and heal our bodies. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share this video to your loved ones, and God bless you. Bye bye.